Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best leveling blocks for RV in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Camco heavy-duty RV leveling blocks. We bet you're well versed on the dangers of UV rays and their horrific impact on our skin. However, harmful ultraviolet light even affects the durability of the products around us. Camco ensures that their 10 packs of heavy-duty leveling blocks are in the category above by ensuring that the resin is UV stabilized. In other words, the blocks are now built to withstand long bouts of exposure to sunlight when you're camping. These bright yellow leveling blocks for RV interlink so their user can choose the correct height to level their RV to. What's more, they're compatible with single and double wheels, tongue jacks, fifth wheel, and tandem axles. And unlike many average blocks out there on the automotive market, they can be used on rough camp terrain to prevent your stabilizers from being engulfed in soft ground. The first time you pull them out of their storage bag, you'll see the difference in this one set of Camco RV leveling blocks. You'll never want to go on a camping trip without them. Number 2. Our second best pick is BAL 28050 Light Trailer Tire Leveler. Ball RV Products Group has become a popular name in and about the automotive market. And with the success of their light trailer tire leveler, it's hardly a surprise that the company is doing so well. Unlike your average leveling blocks for RV, this tire leveler eradicates the need to drive your trailer onto blocks or ramps. Instead, a ratchet wrench is your right-hand man, used to turn the drive screw to elevate or lower the tire lifting pads to level. If you're concerned about the long-term durability of this product, the corrosion-resistant finish will convince you to splash the cash. Likewise, larger 13, 14, and 15-inch wheels will comfortably fit inside the tire leveler. It's not a wonder that seasoned RVers are tempted to leave the cost-effective leveling blocks behind and opt for this sturdy product for their camp. And if you can't face abandoning the best RV leveling blocks that have served you well for so long, why not use both? Number 3. Our third best pick is Valterra Red Stackers RV Levelers. If you think you've found the leveling blocks for you, this stackers will take you back to square one of the decision-making process. Do yourself a favor and purchase these blocks if you own a large camper van weighing more than 40,000 pounds, that's a respectable 10,000 pounds per wheel. Each one incorporates a handy self-fastening strap for storage too. Able to be used as a multi-leveler, jack stand, and tongue wheel support, the versatility of Valterra's blocks goes a long way. Although customers complain about small pebbles entering into the cracks and splitting the blocks, simply remove them before use to keep the blocks in tip-top condition. These leveling blocks are pricier than most, but if you're looking for a quality product without any additional mats or chocks, it's a fairly respectable fee. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Camco Fasten 4x2 RV leveling blocks. These leveling blocks are innovative in many ways, yet being the only camper leveler on the automotive market with an incorporated handle gives them the edge. The handle screws into the base block, ensuring that all 10 leveling blocks are easy to carry, keep, and store. What's more, sun-damaged products will be a worry of your past, as this RV leveling all possess UV-stabilized resin to maintain durability. If bright colors aren't your taste, Camco's brown blocks blend in with the environment around. Just make sure that you don't forget to retrieve them when leaving the campsite. The 10 blocks are compatible with stack jacks, trailer tongues, and can even be employed to hinder your stabilizers from sinking into soft surfaces. Go get a set today before Camco realizes how incredible their blocks are and up the price. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Quality Plastics Utility RV Leveling Blocks. Although prospective customers may take one quick look at the price and run, this utility block is of a different caliber of camper leveler in comparison to mainstream models. Made of durable rubber, it creates friction against the ground that certainly allows it to be considered as an anti-slip product. We particularly love the nylon cord on every block that allows the block to be retrieved without any problems. Not only do these blocks provide security in the soft ground thanks to their weight, but they can also hold up to any weight they're presented with. Their weight also allows them to work well on all surfaces you could possibly encounter. What's more, this utility block won't let any weather break it down. Quality comes at a price, and this utility block is such an example. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.